Sarap ng skin. Alat ng pork.
Here's everything I ate in Hong Kong. Hey Jarelskis! First order of business is Joy Hing. This has always been my go-to and I ordered their 3 treasures. This has barbecue pork, chicken, and roasted duck. Pero yung special sauce talaga nila ang magdadala dito. We went to Singapore Island for dinner at na-disappoint ako dun sa bakote nila. I expected the clear soup pero Malaysian style yata ito. Medyo sweet na parang sunog na yung soup because of too much heating. To be honest, hindi ko siya naubos. Pero na-enjoy naman daw ng friend ko yung pork chop tsaka yung laksa nila. This Shanghai pan-fried buns has Michelin star rating. I got their noodle combo with signature buns. Yung noodle soup was just so-so. Medyo napaso pa ako on my first bite. It's actually just the usual clear blonde noodle soup. Yung signature pan-fried buns nila was good. It's giving level up Xiaolong Bao goodness. For dinner may nakita lang ako noodle stand and I got the noodle soup with beef balls. Okay naman to, very clean lang yung lasa.